Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Robinhood versus Acorns IRA Match and figure out which one is better in 2025. If you're planning for retirement and want the best investing app, this guide will help you decide. Let's start with Robinhood. It's known for commission fee trading, a wide selection of stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto. Robinhood also introduced retirement accounts where you can get a 1% match on contributions, making it appealing for self-directed investors who want flexibility. Now, Acorns RIA Match works differently. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the space change automatically. With the RRA Match program, Acorns partners with companies to match a portion of what you invest, almost like a mini 401k. It's simple, hands-off, and great for beginners and who want automated saving. So, which one is better? If you want control, more investment choices, and active trading, Robinhood is the stronger pick. But if you prefer automation, saving without thinking, and extra matching perks, Acorns is the better option. Thanks for watching this Robinhood versus Acorns RRA Match 2025 guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.